Hi, Carlos. I'm Dickie Bill Wagner with Media Magic Marketing, and I'm doing your website analysis on the Google search landscaping Las Cruces. Okay. And for Google searches, the first things that usually come up are sponsored ads. So nobody's advertising for landscaping services in the Las Cruces area at this time. Next comes up is the Google Business Profile Map Pack. Okay. So this is everybody who has a Google Business Profile. They are all listed here. And you did show up on this search, but it wasn't until the end of page 2 of the map pack. You're right there. Dena Outdoor Solutions LLC. So that's good. You do have a Google business profile and it's in good shape. The only thing that I would recommend doing is probably geotagging your pictures and getting more Google review. There's geotags are pictures that have metadata that is locations all over Las Cruces. So if you do that, whenever somebody puts landscaping near me in the Las Cruces area, you will come up at the top of the list, regardless of where they are in Las Cruces. Okay, the next part of the Google search is the organic search. And extreme landscaping comes up in both the Google business profile search and the organic search. They're number one right off the bat. And we're going to see why. Now, I looked at your website, and because of this outdoor project in Las Cruces, I also did another search. I did outdoor project contractor Las Cruces. And the first things that come up are, outdoor kitchens in Las Cruces came up first. These are all lists. So if you get on some of those lists, you'll be in good shape. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're listed fifth there, and you're the only Google business profile that comes up in that regard. So if people are looking for outdoor project contractor, they're going to find you. However, is that a common search? I think the landscaping is a much more common search, and I'm going to show you how that is affecting your profitability in just a second. So looking at your website, your headline right here, outdoor project in Las Cruces, New Mexico, and surrounding areas. I think you would do very well to put landscaping projects in this headline as opposed to outdoor project and add more content that says exactly what outdoor projects are and landscaping projects are. More content to add those keywords to help you get located in what you're doing. One-stop shop for outdoor needs. You want people to be able to find you when they're searching, and outdoor needs doesn't come up that much. I mean, it's possible, but really pergola installation, concrete, mason, these are all excellent. So let's see about maybe here. If we go, enjoy your backyard and impress the neighbors. I think that should be said in the content, and this should be like landscaping and landscaper, landscape, Las Cruces, New Mexico. My opinion, I'm not judging how you're doing your business. This is just to rank higher. Let's look at your metrics. Right now, you have a 0 for Dena Outdoor Solutions, which means the DR is a trust factor for Google and other search engines like Bing and Safari, those kind of things. You're not scoring very high because your keywords are not very clear as what to expect. We have as keywords fencing Las Cruces, New Mexico. Actually, that's a good one, but you're coming in at 37. Pergola installation, those are good. Still a little bit high. Let's see. We'll look at what has the highest searching. Pergola installers. That's 150. And it's easy to rank. All these greens are easy to rank, but you are coming in at 68. And these are all cumulative. So if you ranked high in one, it would help you in all of these keywords. Now, going back to the overview, you have 5 backlinks and 5 referring domains, okay? And these are your referring domains, which are also the backlinks to your website. What they are called citations. And you have to get on lists like Yellow Pages, Yelp, those kind of things that list your business, the phone number and the address, and it's got to be consistent in every single list that you do. You only have 5. There's room for improvement here on both the backlinks and the referring domains. But it's a start and it's a good one. I like what you're doing. Let's look at Extreme Landscaping. Their website has landscaping in the title. In Las Cruces and El Paso, Texas areas, lawn care and landscaping. Let's look at one of their, let's say maintenance, lawn maintenance, all over the place. This is the proper use of headlines in their, for keyword rich, and is followed by content, which lists everywhere. I mean, this is something that you would want to copy in what you're trying to do. Always copy the people on top. That's free advice for everybody. Let's look at their metrics. Their metrics are not so far out that you could not do better. It's 3.6 and 10. So they have a low trust rating, but they have a good backlink rating. Here's the thing. Search engines like these to be a little bit tighter to be strengthened. So you could come in lower, but if you were within 5 increments, you would have a strong chance for at least being right next to them. And the top 3 spots on a Google organic search get 65% of the click-throughs, okay? So they have 118 backlinks compared to 5. Not hard to get to. In a couple months, you could be right there. 33 referring domains according to your 5. And let's look at the strength of these. They're in USA Today, Yellow Pages, Expertise, Today's Homeowners. These are the kind of lists that you want to get in because they're very strong. These DR ratings, which are trust ratings, are strong. And they have 33 of them. So, I mean, and not that these middle ones don't count. They count very much. Everything is cumulative, which means it all adds together. But look at this on the keywords. There's 257. I think you had 8. Yes. Let's look at the positions, okay? Their positions for these very easy keywords: landscaping Las Cruces, 150 searches a month, and they're at number 2. So they're getting the 60%, 60 out of 100. They're in there getting at least a third of that. So let's keep moving. All of this is also cumulative. So they have some very strong backyard services. See, there's a keyword that you could use, backyard services, as far as, you can get those keywords and get in the searches, and people might see it looking for lawn care and say, oh, I might as well redo my whole thing. So there's ways to use this to make it for your advantage. The biggest part I wanted you to see is that they get 148 clicks a month to their website. 148 people searching for something click on their website. And it's estimated that the value of their website click, one click, is worth $169. So that comes to roughly $25,000 of business that they're getting that nobody else is. So because people can't find you, you're not getting that $25,000 extra a month that you could be getting. I'm sure it's not all, they're not just relying on their websites, but they are putting some effort into being at the top of the list. Now, moving on. It's not all bad, Carlos. Actually, you could actually outdo this in a few months, less than a year. I could see you outdoing them and giving them a run for their money and them going, who are these people? I looked at your Google business profile, right? The one that you ranked number one for outdoor project contractor Las Cruces. This one was just you right there. And it's got you listed Facebook, hometown demolition contractors. That's a good list to be on. Hopefully they are backlinking to your website. And I didn't look to check, but we're just hoping. Now we're running at 10 minutes. I'm going to wrap this up. What I think you should do is put all the addresses of all the work, the addresses of the actual clients where you do your work on these pictures in a geotag form. You can do 5 geotags free a day. And if you want more information, I'll be glad to forward that to you. That will get you a stronger following on the Google business profile. Also, you can ask yourself questions. You can ask questions on your profile and you can answer them, which would create activity on this profile, which launches it and makes it more valuable. And that's what people are looking for. My next suggestion to you for your business, I want to get to your website, is that you redo your headlines and add more content here that are keyword rich, that include the terms landscape, landscaping in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Get some citations, which get on the list of Dex, Yellow Pages, get on Yelp. You can do this for free. You don't have to sign up, but they will start bothering you for listings and that kind of thing. But you don't have to do that. And I don't recommend doing it because it's a lot of pay-per-click advertising, which is a whole nother way of getting business, but it's not, I don't recommend it unless you really are clear on what you're trying to do. Now, that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope it helps. Citations, geotagging, and Q&As on your Google business profile, and redoing this part will go a long way in getting you ranked higher. I'll be following up with you soon to get you more information, especially about geotagging if you're interested. And have a great week, Carlos. Talk to you soon.